Today's a very exciting one. I've just left Manchester for the 3.5-hour drive north to Edinburgh as I'm on my way up to pick up my new van from Clark Commercials. I can't wait to arrive and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I hope you enjoy the video. Only acceptable place to stop, T-Bay Services. Nicest services around, none compare to this. Unreal. 2 hours to go, just left T-Bay Services, definitely the nicest ones around. Stopped there for a quick break. Not much to show, it's pretty grey outside still. But yeah, just continuing driving and hopefully get there in about 2 hours. Have you even been to Scotland if you haven't taken a photo of the site? I'll tell you, no is the answer. This is really cool, driving this town here that called Broughton. I grew up around these places and came to play football in Broughton for like the first couple of years when I was really young. So it's really nice, like the drive back to swap my vans, it's always really nice because I get to drive through where I grew up. In that field behind that school, that's where I grew up playing football. It's really nice that I get to drive through all these places that I grew up in. Because I don't really get the chance to come back, but this allows me to just kind of see everything again. Brings back some good memories. I've made it to Clark Commercials. I've just seen my new van. Very exciting. New van. It's got that new car smell. Look at that. But there's so many nice just vans and vehicles here. Would happily take any of them. Very lucky that even during these times Clark Commercials are still able to support me like they are. .10 miles in the range, love that. I just stopped after picking up my new van. It's a very nice one, it's white this time. I just want to take this time to say a huge thanks to Clark Commercials for continuing supporting me even during these times. There's a lot of companies that are struggling during COVID. I'm so lucky that Clark Commercials are continuing to support me during these hard times. Yeah, I'm so grateful for the partnership, and I couldn't say thanks enough. Providing me with the best van I could ask for, really. It kind of can do anything I wanted to. Over the past few weeks, when I've kind of needed a van, it's come in so handy, like transporting, helping people move house, doing tip runs. It just makes life so much easier when we've got all that extra space, and transporting bikes as well for if I'm going to races or training. I'll leave a link in the description below to Clark Commercial, so you can go check out the range of vans that they've got. I would definitely recommend one, as it's been a game changer since I've had one.